One of the most important elements of a clean facility of the future is to minimize and even eliminate human interaction with the system, and to have data in real time so people can make decisions on whether or not materials coming into the process are clean and ready for use.
Adopting some of these new technologies and techniques into the pharmaceutical industry is something that I've seen beginning to happen. Improvements in isolator technologies, sensors that can measure things like bioburden in real time, adding particulate measurement data, pressure, temperature, etc., and pulling all that together for a true process understanding. If you don't measure it, you really cannot manage it.
So when I think of online process analytical technologies, there's many that measure various elements, and IMDW's system is one example in the industry which measures the bioburden in real time. Current methods require a sample which is then grown in a petri dish for several days by a very experienced resource, and there's a time delay. So seeing companies implement that technology to have real-time information that is critical to the quality of the product on the other end is definitely something impactful.
BioVigilant invented instantaneous microbial detection technologies in order to help pharmaceutical industries maintain their clean facilities. And by knowing in real time what is going on in their environment, for example, when particle counts go up or bioburden measured in real time go up, this really helps the customer understand their process, the cause and effect of people entering the room or interventions, pre and post maintenance activities, looking for energy savings, investigating the root cause of particular contamination events noticed on the traditional methods. These types of technologies, combined with other sensors and other data, provide that process understanding which the customer then can know now and act now.
We're basing sterility in a lot of cases off of the traditional culture-based method. So there are new technologies, new alternative methods that are available that provide an increased level of information about bioburden in an environment because they operate off of a different detection method, so say biofluorescence instead of growth. And they also can increase not only the number of organisms that can be detected, but also the time to detection. And so you have a new ability to assess the level of control. And you can use data historians, analytical tools that are also available on the market today to take a look at this data, to be able to make use of it and provide you with more information about your process, the health of your process, and what is actually happening.
The pinch points that I've seen in trying to create a good control strategy around bioburden and other contamination is the disconnect between the data that's being collected on multiple systems like pressure, temperature, air-room exchanges, people in and out, servicing maintenance activities, etc., and combining that holistically so that they can more precisely know what is going on in their environment. By connecting all these data sources, the customers are able to really truly get process understanding.
All of a sudden you can combine information that you have from different systems, from different sensors, from different pieces of equipment into this holistic set of tools and intercommunication between systems so that it's kind of a smart environment. It's the clean environment of the future. And I think the ability to interconnect all of these pieces of information, to see how they relate, to make use of information in real time and continuously so that you're predicting issues before they occur as opposed to addressing them after is incredibly powerful.